back. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now. Fevicol maker Pidilite has delivered its Q1 numbers late last evening, and the COVID lockdown has, of course, led to a massive sales slump. Margins have compressed. Profits as well have declined quite a bit. In fact, they've come in at just about 15.8 crores versus 294 crores in the corresponding quarter. But as we're starting to unlock and as things start to open up, what is the outlook looking like? Let's bring on board Bharat Puri, the MD of Pidilite Industries. Mr. Puri, thank you for joining us today on ET Now. You know, usually the pre-monsoon season is the best time of the year because, there's construction activity that really does take place. People renovate, but this of course has been hampered because of COVID-19. So what's your view on any sort of demand recovery that you're witnessing now? Are you seeing some pent-up demand that has come by because of April being on a complete lockdown? And how far are we from pre-COVID levels?
See, as we know, this quarter was significantly impacted due to continued lockdown because of pandemic. April was significantly impacted. May saw partial recovery, but recovery was significant in June, and the recovery has continued even in July. And hence, we find that amongst the geography, metros were most impacted. However, the recovery has been better in smaller town and rural area. Amongst our product portfolio, construction chemical has seen double-digit volume growth in June and July.
Okay. The last quarter, you managed an expansion, but now we can see a significant pressure despite the benign input costs. What is your margin trajectory for FY21?
See, the raw material prices continue to be benign. The raw material prices of some of the key raw materials have even declined more. And hence, the raw material scenario currently is favorable. Quarter on quarter, there may have been some differences. This could be due to foreign exchange and product mix. But if you see our product margin in current quarter compared to the same period last year, it is improved by about 200 basis points.
All right. How has demand been on ground this quarter? And I'm particularly interested, Mr. Parekh, in rural areas because, obviously people are very optimistic on recovery being fast over there. But if you could shed some light on rural and urban, and which segment are you seeing, bucking the trend?
See, smaller town and rural area has clearly seen faster recovery, starting from May itself. And hence, we are finding that, our sales in June and July period in this smaller town and rural area are growing at double digit. As compared to urban area, which are still impacted, metros are impacted, and hence the recovery is much faster in smaller town and rural area. This growth we are seeing across number of product categories.
Okay, waterproofing segment, since it's a problem resolution segment, are you seeing a spike in demand over there? Because obviously that is something that, people have to get done. And perhaps they were just waiting for some segment of unlocking to kick in. And also, is competition sort of a factor that may weigh in on this waterproofing segment?
See, waterproofing consumption is not only during the rains. Waterproofing consumption is for both new construction, repair and renovation, and also some consumption during the rains. We have a very strong product portfolio and very strong market position in construction chemicals. As I said earlier, during June and July, we have seen double-digit growth in construction chemicals.
Okay. All right. Construction infrastructure has taken a back seat. So how are you seeing demand for construction chemicals?
See, construction chemicals are used in different segments. Some of it is real estate, some of it is commercial construction, some of it is individual housing, and also government and infra. And hence, the consumption of construction chemical is across all of this segment. Amongst this segment, clearly real estate is seeing some stress, and hence consumption in this segment will be impacted. However, the other segments, the recovery is expected to be faster. Besides, construction chemical in India is still at a nascent stage. There is a significant potential to improve the consumption.
Okay, now Pidilite has always had this mantra of focusing on profitable volume growth. But now, of course, we are in the midst of this COVID crisis. It may hit, people's wallets and disposable incomes as well. So just want to understand, how is Pidilite adapting to the new normal? What will be the focus area for the company over the next couple of years, the growth drivers for the company?
No, our focus does not change. Clearly, there will be some impact due to pandemic, and it may take some time for normalcy to return. It may take some time for consumer confidence to return. However, our strategy continues to remain the same. We believe that we have a very strong market position, and hence, there is no significant or fundamental change in our strategy. Though the normal growth may take some time to return.